Hello and welcome to the lecture on Dash. Dash is a framework of Python written on top of React, Flask, and Plotting. But unlike React and Flask, which makes HTML, JavaScript, and Python, Dash only works with pure Python. Dash was developed for the sake of facilitating data visualization and data analytics. In combination with Python, it can be used to achieve complex data visualization. Dash is getting popularity in the data science community. Thanks to its rich set of interactive components and its logic, it is possible to build complex data visualization apps in few lines and customize each component according to our needs. As we said in the previous slide, Dash is a framework that increases the productivity of developers who work in data science. Dash is declarative and reactive, which means in your code lines, you will describe your application through some attributes. And whenever you make a change in your app, it will get updated automatically. Like React, Dash is also component-based and have an open source library.